We are out here today. Hello friends, it's spring! Woo! We just climbed a cliff, basically. I am so out of breath. Spring always makes me realize how actually out of shape I am. Yeah, we just came down here to do a little photo shoot, a little baby photo shoot. And we got some good ones down by the river. Forgot what it's like up here. Out of breath. Yesterday when I was driving, I heard the peepers. I don't even know, is that even what they're called? They are? Yeah. Well, I heard the peepers for the first time, which is the #1 sign of A, warm weather, B, summer. I wish I would have brought my regular bra instead of my strapless bra for when I changed after the photo shoot, because I'm like sweating. There's the sun. My left contact has got some issues right now. Take these broken wings and learn to fly all your life. What?
Ticks?
Oh, I think it said dicks. It must be your scent or something. Oh, I'm about the only one that doesn't get ticks. That's a big tree. What's that, oak tree?
Yeah.
For size reference, this is a big tree, at least for around here.
Years old, probably.
Yeah. Answer your phone, bitch. Are these things? Lala yogurt smoothie, 5 grams of protein, made with real fruit and probiotics. Strawberry fresa. Fresca? It literally says fresa. I'm gonna say strawberry fresh. Delish. But I don't like the single-use plastic, so probably won't buy them again. I'm glad the sun came out. I honestly thought it was gonna rain. This does kind of look like an old road. It's hard to tell on camera. Oh God. Yeah, you can kind of tell now. It doesn't look too old. Yeah, you can see it goes all the way back there. scrambling. So how far up do you think we climbed?
Yeah.
700 feet?
Yeah.
I'd say so.
Oh yeah. Going up here?
No. We made it back to the road. Cannot wait to eat. So beautiful. Good old Conowongo. Oh, sweet Jesus, I look like an absolute mess. If you couldn't tell, my house is a wreck. I just need to clean. And I thought that I would bring you with me. He was probably, excuse me? What? What? Sir, if you haven't met this beautiful creature already, this is my cat, Jimmy. Yeah, he's tough, huh? I think what I'm going to do is start with the laundry that needs folded, pick up all the clothes that became a hurricane the last couple mornings getting dressed for work, probably move on to the living room. I can't even describe how much I want to buy a house, and I pick the worst time to like get serious about it because I hear that since this pandemic started, the housing market has just like blew up. Honestly, I won't consider myself a true adult until my credit score is good enough for me to get a mortgage. Period. So there's that. There's my talk about how I'm sick of renting and want to buy a house. Let's clean. Ugh. This bed is actually a lockdown buy because what we had before this, I purchased this bed frame as well. I think it was the Nectar brand. Oh my god, it is so comfortable. It's one of those beds that comes like in a box, all vacuum sealed. With the bed, the frame, those sheets that I just took off, those came with it as well. This mattress cover, I think it was like a little over $1,000. Amazing. Best purchase. Oh, not to mention, I don't know if I just mentioned this, but the mattress that we had before this, we didn't have a frame, so we were literally sleeping on the floor. Okay, let's make the bed. When I bought the bed, it came with 2 Nectar pillows as well. Highly, highly recommend. Literally, the first night sleeping in this bed, it was like, okay, we made it to the kitchen. HelloFresh tonight. Oven ready pulled pork and black bean tacos with pineapple cilantro salsa and sour cream. I'm so excited. Every HelloFresh meal I'm excited. The only one that I wasn't really excited about was when we got shrimp tacos. And I usually like shrimp tacos, but like the shrimp, I think it's a texture thing for me. Because the shrimp was like huge. I mean, great quality as usual. I don't know. Shrimp is just not my favorite. So, come here. Come and see mommy. Okay. Dish gloves, cleaning gloves, whatever you want to call it. Essential. We don't want to fuck up the hands, right? We don't want that. Really wish I had a dishwasher. Also, I bought this because I kept seeing it all over the internet. Works great. I mean, I always use Dawn dish soap no matter what. I don't really know if I see the hype though. Like, they say that you can just spray, wipe, and rinse. I mean, isn't that what you do with regular soap other than you're not spraying it? I don't think I get it. Dishes are done. I'm sweating. Let's cook. Ooh, this smells amazing. Wish I had taco holders, but our local Walmart, as I've said a million times, doesn't sell shit.
Dude, every time I'm like, okay, I'm actually going to take a day off. Oh shit. What I was saying was every time I'm like, okay, I'm actually going to take a day off tomorrow or this day, the day comes and I never say anything, and I'm like, there's like this hustle culture that I feel ashamed to take a day off. Dinner's done. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's better. I don't have like a million flyaways. I was looking like I got... Oh, shit. I almost forgot about my fucking tortillas. What I think I'm gonna do is eat, get ready for bed, and then I have to go to bed. I have to like manifest it for myself. Bridget, you're gonna go to bed tonight. You're gonna be able to go to bed tonight. Let's see what the weekend brings us. I don't think it's gonna be warm. I hear that it's supposed to snow tomorrow, which is just really cool. Dude, I have been taking so much footage and content of our hikes, and I need to put them together into a video. Hey! Stay on the chair, don't get on the table. It's okay. I'm just letting you know.
I need to do something with that footage because there's so much good stuff. What? What? Why are you so sad? He doesn't like me to hold him. He doesn't like anyone holding him. Maybe sometimes. Every once in a while he'll like, he like doesn't enjoy it, but he like won't fight to get away, you know? We named him after Jimi Hendrix, by the way. So his name is spelled J-I-M-I. At first I was like Jimmy Page because like I'm a diehard Led Zeppelin fan, and of course Jimmy Page, like hello. But I don't know, it was something about the J-I-M-I. He used, when he was a kid, and he used to like bite the guitar strings because Chris plays guitar. He used to bite the guitar strings and like it would vibrate his mouth and he'd be like, ah! We rescued him. I think I made a TikTok about it. It was so cute. Follow me on TikTok. It's at Bridget NW. I haven't posted on there in a couple weeks, but I've been trying to. I've been trying to post more TikToks. I'm dipping my toes in slowly to this content creating world. It's not as easy, and I knew that going into it, but it's not as easy as some of these creators make it seem. Mad respect for people who pump out 5 videos a week. Like, how do you do? I mean, I know how you do it. You film more than one video, you know what I mean? And you're great at, you know, they're good at what they do, but like, Jesus Christ. How do you do it? We're ready to fill the taco. And that is what she said. I was about to go eat and I was like, no, I gotta show the finished product. Jesus Christ, I went through all that work. That was literally the easiest, one of the easiest meals.